Benjamin, this.
Hey y'all, what's up? We about to do this. Oh.
This is Benjamin production. Ariel's little brother Benjamin, and here they go. Oh.
Yes, yeah, put your leg. Ears. Alright. Let's get together. Oh, we gotta get serious. Yes.
I want a girlfriend.
You ready? Wait.
It's hard to stay still.
Okay, there. Almost there. Here we go. Oh, yeah, they bending. Alright, here we go.
They both have Obama shirts on, so.
Okay. Yes, we can do this dance. Yes, we can.
It's kind of gay dance, so please laugh.
Alright, here we go.
Look at that big butt.
Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes. Yes. She said yes. Yes. Okay. Work, beat, fierce, sound. 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 I ain't garbage disposal. Let's do the work in the garbage disposal. It's a workout. We can't get nowhere.
They're dying, man. Somebody please call 911.
Oh, get it. She on fire. She on fire. Call the ambulance. She on fire. Slow down. You can hurt yourself. She's dead. She did the yes too much. She did the yes too much. We can do this. I have to believe in the yes. The yes is everything.
She's got.
I need you guys. Yes with me. We're gonna save Kiki. Ari. Bloody girl. Here we go. Let's yes. Y'all ready? We're gonna yes her up. We're gonna yes her, bring her back, alright? Y'all with me?
She's not really dead.
Oh! Yes! Yes!
Ring,
It's
ring,
working!
ring, ring,
It's
ring.
working! Yes!
Pause it. She's about to take her clothes off, so
I'm not.
So,
Okay, I think we better. Turn it off.
I turn it off.
I ain't got a foot on for that. Okay.